Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the theater masks, and basically this is the theater mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on it. Here we have description what the theater mode does. It basically mutes the notifications, turns off the wake up on wrist rise, wake up on, I believe, tap. Basically turns off everything that could disturb you during the theater play or maybe movie if you're going to the cinema. And if you want to enable the mode, you need to confirm by tapping on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the screen getting a lot dimmer. Also, if you go back to watch face, there's gonna be, it's barely visible, but there's a theater mode icon right here at the top of the watch face. And if you open the quick panel, it also is quite barely visible, but the icon got highlighted, it got blue color behind it, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel and tap on the icon again, and then you can swipe up to go back to watch face. As you can see, the icon from the watch face disappeared, and this icon went back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.